Hello everyone, welcome to Geology Concepts. Today I'm going to discuss an IIT JAM geology question with you on map, and it's a quite bit visually challenging question, meaning that few things you might not understand by looking at the map. So we'll see each and everything and figure out what the question is really saying. So the question is like this. The geological map shows the contact between sandstone and limestone. So we have been given two type of lithologies. One is limestone and another is sandstone, and a sharp contact between these two has been given. The two dotted curves, these two dotted curves are the contours which are showing elevation. So this one is 400 meter and the above one is the 500 meters respectively. The difference between the dip angles of the contact surface, this contact surface, and the dip angle of this contact surface along two directions. One is AB, another is AC. So we have been given two directions AB and AC, along which we need to calculate the dip angle of the contact, and then their difference. So now the confusing part in this map is that what is this 200-meter distance and this 300-meter distance, and the second thing, that how do we calculate the dip of the same bed in two different directions. First things first, let us understand what are the contours. So this 500-meter contour here suggests that all the points on this line are at the same elevation, and that too is 500 meters. Similarly, all those points on this curve here is at 400-meter elevation. Now we have been given two lines, horizontal lines here, and we can consider them as two planes cutting the topography. Now if these two planes are cutting 500 contour here and also the 400-meter contour here and here, we can say the distance between these two horizontal lines or planes for that matter is 100 meters, or the elevation difference between them is 100 meters, because our contour interval is 100 meters. Now two different directions here means that the dip angle is always measured on a vertical plane, but if we measure the dip angle in any plane other than vertical plane, it becomes the apparent dip. So that 300-meter direction might be the apparent dip of the same contact, and this 200-meter dip can be the true dip of the bed. So anyways, we need to calculate the difference between the two. Now how do we do that? For that we have been given an additional information as this 200-meter distance and 300-meter distance. Now we need to understand that these distances are on the slope surface or they are the horizontal surface distance. So this 200-meter distance is the distance between A point and B point, but on the horizontal ground. Similarly, this 300-meter distance is also on the horizontal ground, but in this direction. Now we will make a cross section either by looking from this direction or from this direction. So let us make the cross section from this direction, and we'll see for AB1 first and then for AC. So if we look at AB direction, we can say that the direction is like this. These are the 2 points, this is B and this is A given to us, right? This is elevation difference, which will be of course 100 meters because the contour interval is 100 meter, and the distance between A and B points is given as 200 meters, right? Now we have a right triangle with us in which this is its hypotenuse and this is horizontal, and we need to calculate the dip of the contact. Now the dip is always from the horizontal plane, so for our case this will not be the dip, rather this will be the dip. And if this is theta, the dip, then this is also theta by the concept of alternate angles. Hence this angle we need to calculate, and in this right triangle, if this is a hypotenuse, this will be the base, and similarly this will be the perpendicular. Now we can very well apply the tan theta here, to calculate the theta for the contact angle in AB direction. So from this triangle we can say the tan theta will be equal to perpendicular by base, and theta will be arc tan 0.5, which is equal to 26.56 degrees. So this is theta along AB direction. But the question is not over yet. We need to calculate the difference between dip angles in the AB direction and AC also. Now the same thing we will be doing for AC direction. Now we can slightly change our reference view of reference, and we can make the cross section in this direction. Anyways, we're going to end with a right triangle. Now we will make a right triangle like this, in which this point is A again and this is C. This distance is given as 300 meters and the elevation is still the same because both B and C points are lying on the same plane. So the elevation is still 100 meters and the same dip angle will be this theta. Now in this also, if you apply tan theta, it will be 100 by 300, and hence from here the theta along AC direction will be 18.43 degrees. Now the final answer for this question will be the difference between theta AB and theta AC. So theta AB minus theta AC will be equal to 8.13 degrees, and this will be a final answer. So I hope you liked the video and you liked the solution of this question, and the takeaways from this question is that read the information clear. Each and every point should be clear in your mind, and just apply the concept, you will get the answer. So thank you for watching.